Yo, what up, chat? How y'all doing, chat? Is the mic good? Is the mic? Can you guys hear me right now? Is the sound okay, chat? All right. Okay, chat. How y'all doing, chat? How are you? Nothing seems okay right now. This one's there also. So yeah, chat. Uh, Wednesday I blew a account during the news. Not because my analysis was like shit, but the reason behind that loss was this week. This week, you see here, those took my account, bro. That I took a trade on JU Wednesday, and I think my stop loss was right around here. Yeah, right around here. And because of the slippage, sound very low. What, bros? I think sound is okay. You should increase the volume on your phone or whatever you're using right now. Use your phone, bro. Okay, nothing seems right now. So this week right here took my account. I was in the right direction. I told you this whole week that we're gonna continue upside, right? Uh, when price was right here, I told you that we're gonna go up. But yeah, chat. Sometimes, yeah, we have to lose something. So yeah, this was my entry on GU, and I did a very big mistake. And like I should have put my stop loss right below this low. And my inner instinct told me to that put the trail the stop loss right there, and I got cooked. Whatever, chat. Let's get moving, bro. We we can't just sit around and yep, bro. I'm still not sure that either EU or GU gonna move higher today. Because I think EU, yep, I think GBP is weaker today because of this SMT you see here. Though we have taken this sell side liquidity here and we tapped into that daily order block on GBP. But as far as I see, I think price could go lower from there. But I think we should wait for a bit longer to see any setup. Let's see the news. Okay, we have news at 10 a.m. today. We have a 10 a.m. news today. Yep, right there. 10 a.m. news. Okay, bro, the DXY is all right. Bro, you see that shaded line there, that horizontal line there? That's the central bank dealing range projection, bro. That this line here is the central bank dealing range projection, and we also had a volume imbalance right here, and price stop right there, and we also have, okay, we didn't tap into that. that if you wanna consider any like bullish setup on EU or GU, I think you guys should wait for the London sessions high to be broken. That high right there needs to be broken, bro. If you wanna go long or whatever, but if you're looking for bullish prices on GU and EU, you should wait for this high to be broken. And also keep in mind that today is Friday, so we might see some lower prices on both of these currencies, bro. Chat, how many of you like a blue account Wednesday, bro? How many of you blew any account, bro? Or did you guys made some money? I lost one account there on Wednesday. One of my account is gone. All right. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. If you are new here, just sub up, bro. We are doing these live every day. Okay, let's check on USD cat. USD cat, does it look good? Okay, there's nothing on USD cat. Bro, if all my analysis for the Forex pairs was good, bro. But because of the shitty entry I took when that Wednesday, I cooked, bro. I got cooked. And here you can also see we stopped right at that shaded box. I'm not gonna say what is that, but yep. And that shaded line there, that horizontal line there is the central bank dwelling range projection. That line there is the projection of central bank dwelling range on USD CHF. I was bearish on USD CHF so much, bro. Just look at this wick, bro. Look at that wick. Let me take this off. Look at it. Look at yourself, bro. Just look at it. And this blue line here is also the central bank dealing range projection on Wednesday for me. And that wick stopped right at that shaded box. And I couldn't enter there because I thought GU is gonna give me more opportunity than use the CHF. Fuck, bro. How much point did I lose that day? Like, fuck. So yeah, this week wasn't good for me. Though I made some money, but one of my account just gone, bro. Yeah, good morning, Bernie. What up, bro? How you doing, bro? Let's have a look at NAS. Okay, NAS took out the all-time high again, and today is Friday chat. So I think during the London close, we might see some lower prices on NAS. What do you think? What do you think about this chat? Like NAS should take some retracement. Uh, I think we should do some projection on NAS. What is the lowest level? I kind of feel like NAS probably gonna take out this high first, then during the London close, we might go lower a bit. Thanks, it happened from best to lose. I can okay. A heavy say listen to it. Yeah, bro. I'm not like crazy about the loss, but yeah, I made some mistake and I got paid uh, the way it is, bro. If you don't follow the rule, you're there. Market's gonna kick your ass, bro. And I got kicked on my ass. Give me a little bit push. All right. Okay, that's 1,400 bucks. Yep. Damn. Yo. What's your bias for GBP USD? Bro, I'm not sure right now, but I think we might go lower. Yep. 'Cause, right now it's more like a OT setup for me, but I'm not willing to take that trade. You see that? We might go lower and take out that London session slow on Euro and also for GU, I guess. But I'll wait for some confirmation. Yeah, because we can go higher from here, and GU is uh, more stronger than Euro. That's my uh, what? Yeah, GU is more stronger than Euro. And if we can break through that London sessions high, I'll look for some sort of long, yep. But I think the best decision would be like, yeah, we should wait for some sort of buy side to be taken today. And I think if we see some buy side taken before the London close, we might go lower and yep, close the day around, yep. If we can take some highs out right there and we see one of them fail, we might see price close around here, right? So that lower movement right there, we can take, bro. But this is a, yep, let's see. I'm not gonna trade today. I'm just gonna wait. I'll just wait. That's the best decision I can take today. I've did some bullshit mistake, bro. Yep. Chat, let me give you a like uh, free, you could say signal type shit, but if you are trading right now, you should invest some of your money into crypto. Yeah, you should invest some money on crypto. Uh, Deposited something on Doge. Yeah, I think Doge could like, you see these highs right there. The price is very low on Doge right now, so we might see some upside movement on Doge. If you want, you could like put some position on Doge, long-term position, but it's up to you. Let's go back. Yeah, I wanna see something like maybe Euro gonna take out this low, and that time GBP might fail to take out that low, and that I'll probably use that SMT to go long. There's nothing else, bro. There's nothing I can see on right now. That's the order block on the daily time frame, the opening and the high of the order block. There's both line or the this is the opening right there, and this one is the sorry, this is the high of that down close candle. Uh, I'm considering that as an bullish order block right now, and we have the opening right here. So yeah, let's look at price and see if we can get a dip into that opening price. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, just sub up, bro. And those of you who haven't joined the Discord community yet, there's a link in the description. Go check it out. And if you feel like you want somebody to like guide you or anything else, like want some friends, you can join the Discord community, bro. We are almost close to 200 members right now. No, bro, I'm not Indian, bro. I have a shitty accent. I'm trying to improve it, but yeah, I'm not Indian, bro. Bro, let me just share something with you guys. Like the thing I'm doing right now in my local area, there's not even a single person doing these things, bro. Like I'm the first one who's doing like this YouTube shit or trading. There's no one in my area that does these things, bro. So yeah, you can understand that where I came from, bro. Yes. Yeah, damn, bro. Come on, nice. All right. Chad, I think you are gonna take out the learning session slow, but I don't want to be in that trade right now. 'Cause, yeah, bro, I don't feel like getting into that trade. I'll probably gonna just wait for some sort of manipulation and yeah, then look for some trade. All right, we are going down right now. Chad, keep in mind that we have a news at 10 a.m. today. So yeah, don't be don't do something silly and you have been a trade in a midway. Yeah, we're probably gonna see some sort of SMT on GU with euro today. I'm expecting like this sort of thing. We might tap into this fair value gap. Okay, we are on the 15 minute 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the 15 minute time. Okay, we have this 15 minute fair value gap, and let's grab the OT. Okay, it perfectly aligned with the OTA level. So yeah, we might see price just tap into that, and probably that time euro gonna take out that low. This or maybe this one. The best scenario would be like euro taking up that low. If we see that low taken on euro and geo fail to go lower, then we can go long, bro. But right now there is one SMT on the 5 minute chart with that low right there. With that low. Yep, they have SMT with that low there. This is the low on the on euro, and there is the low on geo. So we already tap into a 15-minute fair value gap on euro. Chat, we already tapped into a fair value gap on euro, and geo is not willing to go down there. And if I see some swing low there, I want to see a candle from there, a up close candle that uh, close above this high. That high right there, once we uh, close above that with a up close candle, we might go higher from there. Chad, go and follow me on X. We're so close to hit 500 followers on X, bro. So yeah, go and follow me there also. If you guys are on X, Okay, we have taken out that low on GU also. So right now I'm not sure about the price movement right now, but yeah, I think the second analysis that I did, like we might go lower. Yep, we might like close below that BC right there, and yeah, take out that low. I think price gonna tap into that fair value gap. This one right there. We all okay. We have that CB right there on euro. Let's see if we can get a tap into that. Right. And then I think we're probably gonna go lower, or price just uh, close below that BC right there, and yeah, go for that low. That's almost 10 pips. Yeah, you have one fair value gap on your GH also. Future SMT with euro. That's what I want to see. Are we gonna see something like that today? What do you think, chat? Okay, we tapped into a small CB right there on euro, right there, and we closed below that BC right there. So if you wanna go short, you can, chat. You can go short right now, targeting that low. And I think if you put the stop loss right around here, that would give the price to like a space, some space for breathing, bro. Let's see if we can get this one right here. All right, we have some unfilled space right here also. This space is unfilled, bro. All right, not that one. So yep, you have all that shaded box or space for price to fill in, bro. Sell side inefficiency are resting here right now. Let's see if we can go lower. Okay, if you are not in this trade right now, see if price give you another tap on that BC right there. But manage your risk properly. It's up to you whether you're gonna take this trade or not. It's totally up to you. Okay, price tapped into that BC right there one more time. The big man ICT is coming back on waiting on Monday. Gonna be good. Yeah, bro. Everyone waiting for him. ICT cooked Casper so damn, bro. Like Casper was like, "What the fuck? Who did just comment on my post?" He's cooked, bro. He's just so cooked. ICT cooked him very well. I was laughing my ass off, bro, when I saw ICT just uh, tweeted something about him on, yeah, replied to one of his short video on X. I was just like, what the hell? Chad, I think we can, yep, we probably gonna continue lower. Let's go to an 1 minute chart. Yep. Okay, there's also a CV right there on the 1 minute time frame. Within that 15-minute BC right there. We're using this one as an inversion fair value gap. Yep, inverse FVG. We have one tapped into that 15 minutes CV ride inversion fair value gap. I think we might tap one more time and leave a wick within that CV right there. Let's see. Chad, put your stop loss right above that uh, high right there. Because if price come up all the way right here, then I think there's like 30 or 40% chance that price would go lower from there. I did not read that, bro. What are you even saying, bro? Are you not on X? Just go and it was like trending, bro. ICT cooked him, bro. Like on two or three or on of his uh, tweet, yep, on Casper's post. I think you should check that out, bro. If I tell you everything, then there's not gonna be any spice on that, bro. So yeah, go and check that, bro. Look, we have a 5 minute farewell. We have right around here also. Not that, right there. Okay, DXY made. Yeah, bro. Euro is bearish today. Euro is too weaker for me. Yeah. Okay, we tap into that 1 minute CV right there. Let's see if we can get a like push down, or are we gonna close out that, bro? What the fuck? Okay, we tapped one more time into that 5 minute CV. Yeah, we tapped one more time into that 5 minute CV track. Is this a OT, bro? This also look like an OT for me. Yeah. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Bro, I'm not in any trade, bro. What the fuck are you even saying? I'm getting sniped. I'm not in any trade right now. But let's see, bro, if I get sniped or not. But I'm not in any trade. Just for your kind information, I'm not in any trade. But let's see if this analysis uh, work out or not. But if yeah, Chad, if we close out of that 5 minute CV right there, we might go higher from there. Yeah, that's the last safety net. If any of you are in this trade right now, that small CV right there is your last safety net because we already tapped into that one more time and feel that inefficiency, bro. So we don't want to see price again go back to that, yeah, and close above that, bro. So if we are bearish, then we should go down right now. If price go one more time back into that, just cut the trade off, bro. As long as we're down, we're below of that 5 minute CU, we are good. You will see. Okay, if we as soon as we break this low, I want to see some sort of big candles right there. Yeah, as soon as we close below that low right there, I want to see some big candle, bro. But let's see. If price go one more time back into that 5 minute CB, just cut the trade. Yeah. Now I want to see some black, yeah, some big candles right now. Bro, I think I'm hurting my eyes right now with these colors right now on the chart. All right. Okay, we are now at break even. And if you're too scared on this trade, just cut the trade, bro. But there's like 60-40% chance on this trade. So if you're too scared to hold on to these, just cut the trade, bro. But I've told you everything right now. If we tap one more time into that 5 minute CB up there, just that's your last like safety net for this trade right here. Because look at that up close candle there before this candle. We tapped into that and rejected, right? If you see that on a 3 minute chart, there's also that wick and we rejected that. Let's go to a 1 minute chart. Just look at that, bro. So there are some narrative right now in this trade. Okay, right now I want to see some. I want to see price like take out that low within the 2 or 3 candles right now. If it doesn't, then we might have to close the trade. What time is it? Okay, it's almost 8 a.m. right now. Right, Chad, the next 2 or 3 candles should take out that low, bro. That low right there. If it doesn't, then just uh, get out on break even. Chad, now you can put your stop loss right out of that high, that down close candle you're seeing on the chart. Let me just zoom it down, zoom it, right that candle. Top of that candle, just put your stop loss right there because we don't want to see price come back one more time into that 5 minute CB. Because if you are bearish, then we don't want to go back into the CB right there because we already feel that, bro, with that wick right there, that wick, feel that inefficiency, bro. Yeah, now I want to see some reaction of that. Yeah, we made the high on that candle. Chad, just look at that candle, bro. We made that high perfectly within the midpoint of that 5 minute BC right there. Let's see. All right, DXO is not moving right now. Geo's looking good. Okay, that's the partial level. If price hit that level right there, you should take 50% off. If this go there, all right. Yet if price goes one more time into that CB, just close the trade. Don't even wait for it. As soon as price stab into that, close it. I'm not gonna say it one more time. We have one inverse BC right there. Someone's calling ICT daddy. What the fuck, bro? Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, go check out markets for you, broker. Yeah. If you're looking for any broker, just check them out. They're almost in the industry for 18 years right now. And you can trade Forex, indices, metals. Yeah, those markets there. So now I want to see some move, bro. I really want to see some movement right there. Bro, GU's right now, uh, what the fuck? GU's right now are very cool right now. Calm, bro. What the fuck? I just spit it out of my mouth and GU just fall, bro. What the fuck? Chat, as soon as price hit this level right here, 50% of that move, take something off, bro. Don't hold for too long. I'm in long at EU. What the fuck? Alright, bro, you could have your own analysis. There's nothing wrong about it. But yeah, I'm also bullish on Euro, bro. But I wanna see some sort of manipulation today. And today is Friday. Chat, we are almost about to hit 1 hour on this trade. So yeah, I told you I wanna see some big black candle with it after that one. Just look at that, bro. You can go back to the stream uh, and you could hear me saying that I want to see some big black candle right there. And we're almost like 1 hour in this trade right now. Yeah, bro. Okay, if we hit that, just take 50% off of your trade, bro. 50 or 60, it's up to you. But take something off and put your stop loss at break even. Yep. What are you doing on Euro? Okay, Euro tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap, I guess. Yep. So I told you I want to see some sort of ascent to it, Euro. And if Euro failed to take out that low, we might see Euro take out this low at least. Yep. Is there anything on the right? Yep. Chat, you can put your stop loss on break even, or maybe above that high right there. That high, you can put your stop loss right there if you want to. But if you can stand these retracement, just yeah, get out of the trade, bro. Bro, I just every time I just forgot about the mic, bro. What the fuck? Chat, what I'm saying right now that if you can't even like stand all this retracement, just maybe trading is not for you. Because yeah, just because seeing this some retracement, if you get scared, then yeah, do something else, bro. But look at the precision, bro. I'm not like calling me something, but I planned everything in front of you, bro. Yeah. And this trade was a perfectly managed trade. Even if you lost anything on this trade, it was very small, bro. And look at that, bro. Look at that. We hit like one around this trade. Yep, bro. We hit one around this trade. Our initial stop loss was right around here, right? So that's 1.2 hour right there. So yeah, bro, that's how you manage a trade. And let's see. If you haven't taken anything off of this trade, you're a fool, bro. You're dumb. Now, if price would like reverse from here and you say something in the chat, I'm gonna ban you, bro. How's your trade burning? I think you should have taken trade on euro. Euro was weaker than GBP today. And yeah, all right, chat. So there's something we can see right now. We might use this one as well, bro, on the 5 minute chart. Yep, just appreciate them. Okay, chat, you can put your stop loss to break even right now. On this trade right now, you can put your stop loss to break even. And you should take something off right now. It's still at 50% of your initial target, bro. Like down there. And oh, I forgot something. Someone in the chat told me that you're getting sniped. Bro, where are you, bro? And yeah, I marked your words, bro. But look at it yourself, bro. I'm not being cocky, but yeah, I'm not like gonna do some 100% accurate analysis on charts every day. Look back on all the stream and you will see, bro. I think this week we hit like 4 to 5 good trade, bro. Just check those stream. It just took 1:2, not much, but I don't like euro that much. Yeah, bro. All right, just look at yourself, bro. We hit like how much point in this in that trade? Okay, we are like 1.5 are on that trade. Put some W's, bro. If anyone taken this trade right there, put some W's, bro. Yep. I told you that we euro was weaker than JU today, and we at least gonna take out that low, bro. Now I don't know about the rest. Are we gonna continue lower and take out that low also? But what I'm feeling like, I think we might see some SMT on the 5 minute chart and probably can go higher and take out that New York session high. Give a thumbs up to the stream, chat. We hit a very good trade today, and let's see if we can ride down there. How many point was that? Okay, this was almost 9 point, almost 10 pips here. Future S&P Euro. Chad, we have a news at 10 a.m. today. Keep it in mind, bro. Okay, okay, look at that, bro. Just put your stop loss at that this one right here. Low of that inverse uh, BC right there. You can put your stop loss at the low of that uh, bullish fair value gap. Yep, at that low, bro. And let it run, bro. Let it run. If it goes lower, yep. Yeah, when we hit that, you can just put a limit over there. And if it doesn't, then it will probably reverse, bro. But I want to see some bullish price, bro. Yeah, look at it. Look at that, bro. Just look at that. We made a like. Did you take out that high on DXY? No, we failed to take out that high on DXY, but Euro just took out that low. Wait for this candle closure on 5 minute, bro. Chat, wait for this candle to close. And also look at DXY. Do not just wait. Bro, what the fuck? ICT just replied my like yeah, he just replied my tweet, bro. What the fuck? Okay, wait for that candle closure, bro. We have 2 minutes left for that candle closure. If we see that candle close around here, then we probably gonna reverse from there. But if you wanna go long, I'm gonna prefer GU rather than Euro today, because Euro is like weaker today, and in term of points, GU gonna probably give you some more, bro. Damn, bro. Okay, we have 7 seconds left for the candle closure on you. Chat, you can just take this trade off right now. Close it fully, bro. Let's. I'm probably gonna just look for some higher price on euro right now. Let me just take all this off. That OT also. Yup. And yeah, we have taken out that low right there I was talking about on euro. But I wanted to see a tap into that opening of that uh, daily bullish order block, bro. I wanted to see some tap into that uh, while price gonna take out that low. But let's see. Look at it yourself, bro. I told you we gonna form some future SMT, bro. Damn, bro. Like what the fuck? Chad, I have a dream like if I even get a chance on that, bro, like I wanna bring ICT on this channel, bro. Like that's my dream, bro. I wanna like do something more like some podcast. Yeah, but that's like one of my dream, bro. I wanna talk to ICT about some uh yeah, bro. Get some advice from him and talk to him, bro, and put that like conversation on this channel. Chat, we are on uh, that daily order block. Yep. Should I consider that as an order block on? No. Chat, use this one right here. Yep. This is the order block. Cause I'm not considering this as an order block because we haven't crossed that high, bro. We haven't crossed that high on GU. So I'm gonna use this down close candle as an bullish order block. And right now we are within that uh, yeah, opening of that order bullish order block, and there's also a SMT right now, bro. If price meant to go higher, I want to see some yeah, some change in the delivery, bro. But there's not. What the fuck? Okay, I think you're probably gonna take out that low. Let's see. Chat, did any of you just went long? All right, chat. Let me grab some coffee and I'll be back, bro. Wait for me. Let me grab some coffee. Yep. I'm back, chat. Let's keep going. Where are we? Bro, that's a ton of coffee right there. I made too much today. And it's lag as hell, bro. See, Dio's not even moving right now, bro. What the fuck? Alright, Euro just took out that low we were talking about. Yep, this was like how much point we gave where we were able to like capture 13 pips on that trade, and that's my initial level. And these are the inefficiencies left within that opening of the daily bullish order block. Now I want to see some reaction, bro. Chad, this is gonna be a like cool entry, but if you wanna go long, you can right now. You can go long on GU. Put your stop loss around here, right below that low, the lowest one. That lowest one, you can put your stop loss right there, and yeah, you probably can target for the London sessions high, and if possible, if price moves, and the Asia's high, bro. But it's up to you, chat. I'm probably not gonna take any trade today. But if I see like some price like here, and then I'll wait for some fair value gap and go long. That's what I'll be waiting for. But right now, I'm good. Ta-da, two, 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 see, see, bro, see. All right. Okay, we did not form any swing low there on the 15-minute chart. Bro, what the fuck? Chad, I think you should wait for a swing low to form on Euro. Do not enter on this trade. Let me just take this off. Wait for a swing low to form on both of these pairs after on 15-minute time frame. Not on 5 minute, but on 15-minute time frame. Bro, there was that OTE setup on Euro. Wow, bro. It was like perfect, bro. We had this CV right here. And yeah, I missed that, bro. Missed that trade. Wait for a swing low to form on GU on the 15-minute time frame. I do not want to see price like break that low. This is the rejection block on GBP right now, and that's the protective low. I don't want to see that be broken, bro. If we get a swap down that low, then I'll probably wait for something else. But right now, it's not looking good, bro. Euro just keep uh, going lower and lower. And I told you, bro, look where price stopped. Is there any favorable gap on the 5-minute chart? No. But if you look at on the 5 minute time frame, there is a fair value gap which is like filled uh, around here from that low right there, from that high on that approach candle. I left that uh, empty because we filled that two times right around here a little bit and here. Let's see how it reacts from there. And we also have another one on the hourly chart, bro. We just keep pushing down, bro. What the fuck? I'm short on GU. Great, bro. Hold it, bro. Hold on to it, bro. Okay, we tapped into the OTA zone right now. Bro, was there an SMT on? What the fuck? Why? How did I not saw that, bro? What the fuck? Bernie, you can target for this low on GU. That low right there. We are still bullish, but I think price gonna take out that low. Yeah, bro. Price gonna take out the low. There is something that I missed. I figured that out though, but let's keep that way. Bro, this trade was like, how much point was that? This was like almost 20 pips, bro. What the fuck? Does 930 is equities open matters on Forex? No. On Forex, you have kill zones. That's what matters most on Forex. And the high impact news that you see. See, see, bro, see. Was there any fair value gap? Chad, we might target for that one right there. Yeah, let me just take these off. Fuck these levels also. I just missed something, bro. There's nothing to accept that, bro. No shame to accept that, but yeah, I missed something on the trade. Yup. Let me just take something on. What time is it? Right, 8:36. Yeah, this could be a setup, but let's have a look at you. I created a new 100K paper trading account in 4 days. It's up 25%. Great, bro. Keep improving, bro. Keep sharpening on your skill. Keep on grinding, bro. Pop, 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 there is one country one country, so the news is more limited. While US impact from too many places, so it's harder to track. True, but yeah, most of the traders prefer GU, bro, because you have like in term of pips, you have more flexibility on GU, but they both move like along with one another, bro. So there's nothing like that. You can't trade Europe, but yeah, they're two are correlated with one another. So there's not any big problem in trading Europe. German 40, you started trading a new pair or you traded that before, bro? Did you traded that before or you just started? See, see, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Okay, it's looking good. Gio, what are you doing, bro? Okay, there's some SMT right now on chat. There's some SMT right now. What do we have on this? Okay, use the CHF. Have a 1 minute SMT. Use the JPY. Yeah, there's mass. The Fuch. This doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's hold this trade, bro. Let's see how much fun we can get. But yeah, I'll probably at least take at least this point right here. All right, we're moving. Right now, I took that drop since 3 a.m. on DAX. Great, bro. What about that second stage, bro? Did they like gave you the second account, second phase? And what's the update on that? How you're doing on the second stage right now? How much are you down right now on that account, bro? Is it too bad? Bro, I'm new to your chat. How's your win rate? Let's say like I think it's more like 65%, but because I have like high risk reward trade, because I'm a swing trader, bro. Uh, it's you won't see me often trading this small time frame, but yeah, sometime I trade this small time frame, but most of the time I like take some one shot, one kill trade, uh, one trade per week, maybe two or three. So yeah, the win rate is good, but sometimes I screw up, bro. Screw up because of the psychology part. But yeah, I'm still making money. That's what matters, bro. As long as I'm making money, so I don't care about anything else. But it's my fault being see down 150, bro. That's not bad, but yeah, we can easily get it back, bro. Just be patient and the initial risk you put on that account, like you if you have put like 150 stop loss, why the next trade should be like 75, bro. Just decrease the risk by half, bro. Do not risk that previous amount. Just decrease it by 50%. But in funded account, that's little tough than I thought, bro. Yeah, bro, funded account are tough, but there are some funded accounts I'm saying these days, like there's nothing mentioned while you're like buying the account, but if you are like a dumb like me, uh, you didn't check the fact. I mean, in their website, the most asked questions, like they have these consistency rules, bro. I just hate that consistency rule on this prop firm account. But I think if you have that money to and if you're confident about your setup, like just go with FTMO, bro. They are the best. Yeah, bro. You can go with FTMO. And by the way, chat, there's like that 10K or like the FTMO, I think used to charge like 200 USD for that account. Right now, there are some discount going on. I just checked that account, checked their website today, and yeah, there's some discount going on for the 10K account. So yeah, if you want to buy any, just go with them, bro. CFD prop don't have consistency rule, bro. Yeah, bro. CFDs probably don't have any consistency rule. But I'll probably buy another FTMO account maybe next week. I thought about buying one, yeah, this today, but yeah, just stopped and thought about it for some time. Like, why am I in hurry, bro? I can buy that account next week. Yeah, I'll probably buy a FTMO account next week. Yeah, and let's see if I can pass that. Save the halal or bro, bro, I don't know anything about that. Someone answer him, bro. Missed my missed the trade. I was gone for some work. Check out funded next, bro. They also have these the consistency rule, bro. I also checked out funded next. Then I think funding peeps and yeah, the 5%ers are a little bit better than the others, bro. I think no spreads and they have new rapid accounts. Bro, I'm not into futures yet, but let's see. I'm not into futures yet. All right. I think There's nothing else. Bernie, you should take something off of this trade if you have taken that trade on your funded account. And if you haven't taken that trade on funded account, you can hold it, bro. But it's not looking good. I should take that trade off. Okay, I'm out. I'm out of that trade. I'm not feeling good about that trade. Yep, we tapped into some PDAs on GU, bro. We just tapped into that PDA. I can tell you exactly what is that, but yeah, we tap into that, and we are inside of that bullish order block on the daily time frame. The price is respecting this bullish behavior right now. I might go short if price come back one more time and close below this. I might go short, but let's see. Closed, bro. Why is your tip in euro, bro? I just closed that trade, bro. You see, I just closed there, bro. What the fuck? My initial TP was like here. I still think euro can go lower. Euro and G both can go lower, but there's nothing I can control in the market. I can just go with the price action, bro. Chat. I think you guys, if you want to, then you can go long right now. But it's a bit risky right now. I'm not sure. Is there anything? Let's do the one short. We haven't taken out the, no, both of these haven't taken out that. So what is DXY right now? All right, DXY. Okay, bro. I kind of think like we might go higher from here, but let's see if this CB right here can hold price. I'm not sure about this, but let's see. That's a 5 minute CB right there, bro. View Nasdaq. All right, bro. Let me just pull it down. Yeah, bro. Nas is just like, I think it's gonna consolidate a bit today because we have uh, taken the all-time high on Nas, both on futures and indices, bro. But there was a good setup today, bro. Did anyone took this trade on Nas? Anyone took that trade on Nas, chat? Okay, we might take that high out on Nas. We might. I'm not sure, but we might. Fuck it. Let me just. Uh, that's the all-time high. All-time high is still open. What are you saying, bro? I think futures on futures it took out the all-time high, bro. Oh no, my mistake, bro. Sorry. Yeah, I thought it took out that high on the chat. Many of you may think like I don't know how to trade futures, but yeah, bro. I my analysis works on both forex and futures market, but I'm not into futures right now. That's the thing, bro. Chat, we see some reaction right now. Okay. Said you can go long, but that would be like a bit risky today, I guess. Put your stop loss right below that inverse fair value gap. Yes, took the all-time high, so there's an SMT. Today Nasdaq going to sell. It could. Maybe you should wait for the 9:30 opening though. If Nas failed to take out that high, it probably gonna fall, bro. Like from that point, it could go lower. Today I get 2 hour in GBP USD in London kill zone. Great, bro. Very nice. I kind of think it's gonna take out that high on indices. As far as I'm looking at, but can you see? Of course, bro. I can see what are you even saying, bro. I think you have taken this trade right here. We have had an SMT with the Asian sessions high on euro with GBP. So you probably have taken that trade. There was two entry. One was here, another one was right there. That bullish order block, and you probably right below that low. So it was almost like if from here it was like 23, 22 pips, and if it was from here, then it was like 27 pips. Am I right, bro? I was not in front of the charts today because I went to see my mom. So yeah, I missed that trade, but I was like a bit pissed off about the Wednesday's trade. Maybe no, I think Thursday. Yeah, yesterday's trade I was a bit messed up in my head, so I didn't open the charts today during the London session, and I had to see my mom. Chat, be careful when price tap into that fair value gap. If we see a tap into that, look at euro that time also. Probably euro gonna fail to make that high like that. Or we have one thing on the 15. Okay, we have a small fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, chat, look for that SMT if we see that on the downside. Yeah, only watch 1 minute time frame. That's also on 1 minute time frame, bro. What are you even saying? Yeah, there was that, and you might have seen some SMT right here also. Let me show you. Right, see right there. There was another SMT right here on the 1 minute. So there was too many confirmation. But I love to trade like at least 5 minute time frame, bro, because it gives me more space to breathe in, bro. I can't stand that 1 minute time frame just running one candle after another. But if you are a like short time frame trader, that's good for you, bro. I take that first CD. Bro, it's too clean on the 5 minute chart, bro. You see that? It was too clean on the 5 minute chart. And we also had this fair value gap. I think the 15 minute charts will be good. What do we have? Yeah, yeah, but that price not entered. If you made money, bro, wherever you entered, I don't. Why does it even matter, bro? Bro, if I don't drink that, the rest of the coffee, it's gonna be bitter, bro. Yup, that's what I'm talking about. Chat, if you see another SMT form here with Euro or DXY, just cut the trade off, that long trade, and yeah, you can go short again. But right now, I think like price probably take a retracement because I'm considering that low right there is the low of the day. And we might close the day. Let me show you that. We might close the day right around here during the London close. So that's what I'm looking at right now. But yeah, it's up to you. Let's wait and watch. I wanna see Euro take out that high. Definitely, bro. If we take out that high, I'm gonna hold that trade. Pam param pam 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 param pam pam param pam 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 pam. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, bro. Let me look at something. Give a thumbs up to the stream, and what else? Yeah, go and follow me on X, bro. If you made money on the stream today, go and follow me on X. That's it. Nothing else, bro. Chat, I'll at least try to take some profit on this trade. But I'm gonna see how price reacts off of that CB right there. Let me just keep that. I'll see how price reacts off of that. We have that high intact on Euro and you just took out that high, bro. Chad, you just took out that high. Can you give signals? I can, but I'm not a fan of that. I have my mentorship, so yeah, I'm not gonna like give signals, bro. That's gonna make you like cripple, bro. If you are trading and okay, oh, give me a moment, bro. All right, fuck, it's turning on me again, bro. What the? Okay, I'm gonna take this off too, bro. Let me just close that on the balance, bro. All right, yeah, no profit on that, but yeah, got out on the balance, bro. I'm no longer bullish on Geo right now. That that shitty ass beach, right? Just made a SMT with Euro, bro. I'll probably go short again on Euro. When that candle close, I'll probably go short. Let me just watch and yeah, I'll probably take a 1:2. So yeah, what I was saying, like I'm not gonna open any signal group and charging anyone for that. But yeah, I have my own mentorship. So if if you are like wanna learn this, yeah, you can hit me up. But if you want signals, bro, I'm not into that, and I'm not gonna open a signal channels, bro. That's gonna like uh, cook your mind more than anything, bro. That's gonna cook your psychology too much. And I used to think that too, bro. Like while I was first introduced to this trading thing, bro, uh, I first started with like crypto trading, bro. So at that time there was so many Telegram channels where they like give some premium signals. Yeah, and yeah, I probably like joined some of them. But the thing is that uh, the time they give the signals, I was not in front of the charts. I was probably doing something else at that time. So I used to miss them, and they are not like 100% winded, bro. There's no signal group that give like 100% winded setups, bro. So why not just learn that yourself, bro? Just learn trading yourself. Okay, we did not made a down close yet. Okay, GU probably gonna close that candle. Chad, I'm thinking like when we hit the news zone news, yeah, when we hit 10 a.m. we probably gonna go lower. But I want to see a down close candle and form a swing high there. Give me a swing high, bro. Come on. Can you how you get ICT motivational videos, bro? That's very tough, bro. Sh- should I show you that or just explain that, bro? So there's like almost 50 to 60 ICT spaces on my laptop right now. Uh, on my laptop, I have like 50 to 60 ICT spaces. So I, whenever I like get time to listen to them, I would like to take out the clips like where he states or mentions something about psychology or anything else. I would just take those parts and export them and save in a drive. Then I'll just add all of those clips and yeah, put a background, bro. Add some captions if I get more time. Then I'll probably like add some text animations. But I'm not like those guys, bro, who just take 20 minutes from the first part, then 20 minutes after that, then 20 minutes after that, and make one video each day, bro. If you like put real efforts into making ICT motivational videos, trust me, bro, you can't even make two videos a week. If you want to make it two videos per week, you at least have to put like 8 to 10 hours, bro. 8 to 10 hours you have to put just to listen to those ICT spaces. But sometimes there's going to be like that. You have this 1 or 2 hour ICT space where on a 5 minute clip he said something like very necessary about trading or something psychology part. So you cut that part off and save that. But you have to you will need the rest of the part, right? But the rest of the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes, he didn't even mention anything similar to that. So what you gonna do? You have to delete that, bro. You have to delete that 5 minute clips. So that happens to me, bro, so many times, bro. All right, I'm from Earth, bro. Okay, Chad, I think we have a swing high right now. I'll probably, bro, what the fuck? Euro's not giving me anything right now. We might have that SMT with GU right now, but I don't see any nice move on Euro. Yeah, I'll probably wait for candle close below that. That inverse CB right there, I'll probably wait for that. But I want to see some push, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck? What? Damn. Chat, we have a news at 10 a.m. today, and there's like 52 minutes left for the news. You keep in mind that, bro. Even is this all me? No. Good. Yeah. Will you start live in Monday? Yeah, bro. Probably yes. I'll try to if I don't have any stuff to do, or if I'm free, then I'll probably do the live stream. But I try to do live stream every day. Sometimes I don't have the time to do it. Bro, what the fuck happened to is the cat, bro? All right, bro. I'm still like bearish on USD cat. I wanna see price go lower, bro. These are the lows. They are intact, bro. They are intact yet. Still intact, bro. What's your wounded, brother? Bro, I just said that, bro. It's like 60%, I guess. But it's not because of my trade setups. It's because of my mind, bro. Sometimes I get cooked because of my psychology, bro. And yeah, I've just shared that with you all, bro. That like my trade setups are almost like 1:3, 1:4, or something like that. So if I even lose three back-to-back trades, but the next trade I win, I can cover up all my losses with that one trade. I'm more like a one shot or one kill trader. You could say like that. But this whole week, I have said that we're gonna go higher on USD and sorry, I mean Euro and GU. It did go higher, but took one of my accounts. That bitch right there, bro. What to say, bro? I think I should stop like trading news. I think I entered right around that candle right there on GU because of that OT formation. But and I was too afraid to put the stop loss right below that one, right below that low. And I tried to make some like opened a big position, bro. Like how much lot did I open on that trade yesterday? I think five, bro. I think I opened like five lot there. I should have put my stop loss right below there, but when I just opened that and like I thought to myself I should close that trade, but my inner self told me like you're not wrong. The market is gonna move and you're gonna make a lot of money today. And it cooked me, bro. Sometimes that's gonna cook you too, bro. I'm laughing at it, bro, but yeah, that's what it is, bro. Sometimes we can control our emotions. Bro, why the fuck are you hanging there, bro? Just come down, bro. Chad, we might see another SMT, bro, on Euro. We might, I'm not sure, we might see before the news like this. When the news hit, we might go higher like that. Around here, while GU probably gonna take out that low if I'm not wrong. But let's see. By the way, chat, I'm not in this trade yet, bro. I'm not in that trade. I was waiting for price to close below that, but let's see. Check it out. Look at NAS when market opens, it's gonna pull up a little, then go down to take the equal lows at 7 a.m. Then it's gonna go for the all-time high. Bro, today I think it's not gonna go for all-time high. Okay, took out both these highs on NAS. So we took out both the highs on NAS. Let's see, yes. All right, yes, failed to take out that high. NAS took out that high. Yeah, when the market opens, we're probably gonna go continue lower on NAS. Maybe swap some lows. I don't know, but yeah, that's the scenario I'll look for on NAS. Where's the Asian session slow, bro? Thank you. Okay, we might take out that low on NAS, then go higher, bro. Yeah, we might tap into that one more time, then go higher. Yeah, that's this is for the geo chart yesterday, brother. I suggest that if you trade news, always look for the daily key levels, long wick tap, and daily order block. Look again, it helps you a lot. You will thank me later, bro. I think you haven't checked my previous trades. Go on my Twitter profile and check out all my trades, bro. I am a long time frame traders. I do not trade less than hourly or 15-minute time frame, bro. Most of my trade are have a stop loss like 30 to at least 20 to 30 pips stop loss. I most of the time. But Thursday I was messed up, bro. Yeah, I messed up something and I got paid for that, bro. I'm good with my analysis. I'm good with my stop loss. Everything is good, bro, right now. But uh, Thursday I made some mistakes, bro. Let me just show you something. I think where is that? Let me just show you something. Where is that? Okay, that's the 5 minute time frame. What the fuck? Bro, my PC is just like full of these chart screenshots, bro. These screenshots are like all over my PC right now. What the fuck are you? I can show that. So let me show you this chart real quick. Look at that chart a bit. I'll tell you. Like these are the time I most of the time I trade like this setup. I'll probably go long here or that below that low right there on my 15-minute BC right there and put my stop loss right below here. Or if I miss the first entry, my first entry would be like around here while we swipe that low and we are within the OT level, bro. And I would target for external range liquidity most of the time. Most of my, at least 90% of my trade are for are targeting the external range liquidity, bro. Yeah, that's just it, bro. NP, brother, we do mistakes, but that's fine. At the end of it all, it matters that we made money or not. Yes, bro, that's what I'm telling you, bro. If as long as we're like making money, it doesn't matter, bro. I might like take 2 to 3 loss in a week, but the next trade gonna cover all my losses, bro. Because most of my trades are like 1:3 trade. So if I get like loss back to back, 2 days I took 2 losses, right? But the third day, if I get a win, my my loss are back, bro. I'll be on profit. So I usually don't take too many trades, but these days I think I'm taking a little bit more than I usually do. This week I think I took like maybe 6 or 7. Yeah, bro. Okay, we tap. I can show you that. Okay. We tapped into the volume imbalance chart and this higher highs, lower lows, higher highs. Bro, there's nothing on any of these. I think we're gonna continue higher probably. We have the news at 10 a.m. Yeah, for USD and let me just look at. Oh, oh, bro, what the fuck? What? What month is it? September. September. I think the news for DXY today gonna be lower, bro. I think DXY gonna continue lower today. Looking at those news, the previous uh, what do you say that? Yeah, previous news. Yeah, those previous news comparing to the forecast and the actual number. I think DXY probably gonna go lower, and Euro and GBP might go higher that time. But if we continue higher, take your trade on GU, bro. You're gonna thank me later. But yeah, GU gonna be stronger because we have that SMT right there. We have that SMT right there. So if the news pushes the price up like around here, I think it at least should push price above that Asian session high because they're the most tops right now. The amount of stop loss there is huge, bro. If the market pushes price up there, I'll I want to see price take up that high, bro. Not gonna lie, I want to see a upside move on GU and take up the high. Let me use this 5 minute. All right. Chat, the price is just right now consolidating in the lower time frame because we are getting closer to the news though. We are close to news. Bros. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Whatever. Which RP travel agent or Chat, give it. Alright, I think I'm gonna go long. Chat, if I take this L, I'm done for the week. I'll be on the balance, but yep, this is my last trade for the week. Let me check something and I'll probably enter the trade. So it doesn't look good. No, 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 no. Does it look good today? All right, I'm not going to take that long. Chat, I'm not sure right now. I'll probably stay out of the news. Yep, I'll probably just stay out of the news chat. Even if it moves higher or lower, I don't give a fuck right now. I don't want to be in a position where I don't know what the direction would be. I'll probably just stay out of it. Yep, I'm gonna stay out of that. But we might continue going lower. Yeah, we might continue going lower chat on euro on and on GU. Yeah, that these motherfucker they're just I don't feel like taking a trade right now, chat. Not gonna lie, I saw something, but the point I saw that lost all interest, bro. Yep. We might go lower, like that. Yep. But Chad, if you like want to take that trade, like if you are not sure about this, do not take the trade. But if you're bearish, leave a small position right there. Leave a small. Just take a small lot, bro. Maybe one or maybe 0.5 based on your account. Just take a small short there. It's up to you, but yeah, what else do we see right now? Bro, what the, this price is messing up, bro. I'll probably take it out. I don't want any of you to like take a trade and get stop out. Cool, bro. All right. All right, the market's gonna open in 20 seconds for NAS. We have 20 seconds left for the market to open on NAS. Okay, 8 seconds, bro. What the fuck? What? Like, what? Yeah, price should. Bro, the market's open, bro. Do something. Damn, bro. Damn. Is there anything to the right? Sorry, to the left? There's nothing on the left. Bro, what the fuck just happened? Almost like 20 on 1 points within that candle, bro. Did anyone make money on Nest right now? Chat, did you guys make money on Nest? Did you guys made any money today? And probably it's gonna go down right now. If it goes down, we have these two equal lows. Yep. Yeah, right there. That's the that's what I'll look for. Let's go on a 5 minute time frame. Chat, don't forget to like compare ES with NAS. If you're gonna take any trade, always try to keep them both one beside another, bro. Yeah, I got stopped. Were you like short on NAS? Bernie, were you short? Yes, people go where you from. What the fuck is going on Nas right now? Bro, Nas is choppy right now, but I have that one right there. See if you can get a close below that. Yes, it's okay, doing okay right now. But bro, Europe and Geo's not even moving right now. I'll probably go to them when we news. Right now, I'm gonna leave them, bro. I'm not feeling well about those two fucking fate. What? They lose? Pum. Alright, we are going for those lows, bro. Mhm. What the fuck? Pre-opened. Okay. I said before Nasdaq going to sell. Alright, chat, we have taken out those two equal lows on Nas. We had an close. We had a close below that. We are building up that one, right? You see, we were able to like how much? Okay, 24 points, bro. What the fuck? Get out of the trade, bro. We swept those low. I'm gonna leave Nas right now. What the fuck are you doing? Trying to do, Euro? Bro, if Euro take out that low there and GU probably stay right there. We might see a tap into that when the news hit and gonna rip through, bro. Rip through high, bro. On futures, it took those lows already. MOX USDT. Okay, okay, all right. Where are you guys from? Bro, it's not the right time to say where I'm from, but you will know it very soon. Just hang a bit little, bro. Hang on a minute, bro. Yeah. Fuck, what the fuck? Damn, bro. Alright, I have. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, if you are new here watching the stream, subscribe, bro. What are you doing, bro? Just subscribe, bro. Mastopia. Ta-da, ta-doo, ta-doo, ta-doo. Fuck no. Fuck. Bum, 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 da-da-dum, bum, bum. Okay, we have 20 minutes left for the new stage. Chat. Chat, give me like five 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be back. All right, chat, I'm back. Let's see how we do. Chat, I kind of think like we gonna go higher on GU probably. Yup, everything's indicating higher prices, bro. What the fuck? I think from this point, NAS could probably go higher and take out that high. It could go higher and take out that high. I don't know yet, but we have a SMT with NAS. So NAS and ES have a SMT right now. So we might see some higher prices on NAS. Yep, there is this fair value gap, and we have order block right there. Oh, what the fuck? From that fair value gap, prices just ripping through, bro. Just leave. Yet I kind of think like Q is gonna go higher if we don't form any SMT on like in term of highs. If we don't see any SMT, price could go higher from there. We tap into a 5 minute fair value gap right now. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how we do. We have like 8 minutes left for the news chat. All right, we have 5 minutes left for the news chat. Nasdaq going to short, bro. Where is your place? Okay. Nasdaq gonna go short. Bro, Nas is not gonna go short, bro. Look at that, bro. Just look at that. And you're saying Nas gonna go short? What the fuck, bro? We took out that those lows on Nas and ES failed to go lower. So that means we have some bullish SMT with ES on Nas. So we might take out that 930 opening high, bro. That's what I'm looking at right now. But we have 4 minutes left for the news chat. Be careful if you are going to place a trade. Yeah, just be careful. Just be careful, bro. Everything's looks stronger. All right, we are taking support off of that inverse bearish fair value gap on euro, and we took out that high on euro chat. What the fuck, bro? What is even happening right now? Okay, we haven't taken out that high yet. Once we take out that high on euro before the news, I think we're gonna continue higher. But as long as we are below that high, I'm not sure about it, bro. Can I give a first view on US tech? US tech, okay, Chad, I think we're gonna go higher on GU and Euro. US tech, all right, US tech at all-time high. Yep. See the 3D chart. We'll tap into that order block. Chart. US tech can also go and take out that high, bro. I'm not uh, sure totally, bro, but yeah, it can take out that high, bro. Because we have taken out that these failed stop right there and tapped into a bullish order block. And this was I'm considering this as the low of the day. And this was the Judas swing on US tech. Let me see something on the shorter time frame. Yeah, chat, bro. If you want to go long targeting that high, you can go right now. It's up to you totally, but if you want to go long, you can, bro. On that fair value gap, just like manage your risk properly, bro. Put a small position, bro. Not too much. but just put a small position, bro. Okay, we hit the news. Is there gonna be any reaction off of it? Come on, bro, give me something. Come on, come on. Yup, we are going for the tie. Let's look at, bro. Let me look at the news today. Okay, both of them are pending yet, bro. Come on, refresh it. One is negative for DXY. I told you we're gonna be negative for DXY. Let me check the next one. The consumer sentiment is negative, bro. All right, we might go higher. Yeah, let's look at US tag. Did US tag pick up the high? But it's not even moving right now. How do you guys manage to trade these markets, bro? These gap candles just gonna scare me off, bro. All these gaps. How do you even trade these? Look, we are going for the high. Oh, let's see if I did a W analysis or not. Of which would have all. There wasn't that much volatility on today's news, but yeah, bro, there wasn't that much volatility today. So yeah, if we continue going higher, this is the high I want to see getting swept on GU. And during the London close, we might see some retracement back there. So you should wait for that one right there and trade that, bro. Yeah, you guys should wait for that. Look for some silver bullet to form. All right, Nas is going up. Chad, just say it yourself, bro. I told you we are going up from here. How much point is that? It already moved like 26 points on Nas, and you're saying that Nas is not gonna go higher. What the fuck? You guys could have taken that trade right there. I just put two PDRs, not all of the PDRs I see on the chart. Just put the two of them, and you can see the rest, bro. Chad, did you guys made any money or lost today? Did you guys made any money to the chat? Or lost? Lost, bro. Damn. What the fuck? US, bro, did you take that trade, bro? Cause it's like almost 13 points, bro. Already 13 points. If you target that high, it would be like 24 points, bro. Any of you took that trade? Just look at that week right there. Look how price reacts from the 50% of that week. If it rejects from there, you should probably take something off. It already tapped into that 50%, bro. If you don't see a candle's body right there, just cut the trade. Yeah, all right. Price gonna take out that high. I'm damn sure, bro. Also, Nas gonna take out that high. We tapped into that fair value gap right there, that bullish fair value gap, and you could have taken that one also. It was like almost 7 points as an silver bullet, bro. That was the silver bullet for London close. Chat, I think I'm done for today. Exhausted, bro. I've been streaming for at least I think 2.5 hours right now. So yeah, I'll probably close this end the stream right now. And yeah, those of you who didn't give a thumbs up to the stream, do it right now, bro. Give a thumbs up to the stream, and you're new here, enjoyed the stream. Just subscribe, bro. Be a member of this channel, bro. Yeah, I'll probably see you guys Monday. Till then, bro, just control your emotions and yeah, always trade safe, bro. I'll meet you guys Monday, bro. Peace out.